Welcome to my channel, 66 Gordo. I'm Gordo. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the contents of this video, and leave a comment or a question below. The basic omelet may be easy to most of us, or some of us, but it may not be easy to all of us. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. Okay, for this Western omelet I'm going to be using 3 eggs, green bell pepper, a tomato, some ham, an onion, and some cheese. And here you have your tomato, your ham, your onion, and your green bell peppers all chopped up. Now I'm going to crack my eggs in a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and scramble those up. I'm going to saute my ham, tomatoes, green pepper, and onion. You don't have to saute them. A lot of people don't, but it tastes so much better. You want to make sure you have oil in your saute pan. Too, I have some in there. I put a little bit more. Get the saute pan hot. Okay, my saute pan's hot. It's got some oil in it. What I'm going to do is just put the egg in, the 3 eggs, and let it cook. Okay, after it firms up on the bottom, break it loose and go ahead and flip it. There you go. You can use a spatula if you want. Now that this is kind of firm, then I can add my filling, whatever you have. Like I said, this one's a Western omelet. Throw that on there. Throw some cheese on there. Throw a little bit more cheese on. Fold it in half. Throw the rest of my cheese on top here. And I preheat the oven. It's at 350. And I'm going to throw it in there just to melt the cheese. I'll pull it out of the oven. And here's your Western omelet. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. Subscribe if you like. And have a good day.